Mũtongoria wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga na mũtirithia wake Karua nĩ macemanĩtie na onjoria a mabũrũri ma nanja arĩa monjorithagiria gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ makimerĩra kũgacĩrithia rĩera rĩa wonjoria makĩria mangĩgathurwo.
We are ready for business and we are going to create an enabling environment that will be attractive to those who want to come and invest in our country. Kenya is open for business.
This rule of law question cuts across everything, including ease of doing business, including delays in licensing. I think it's the elephant in the room. And they definitely will be massive. There will be massive political will.
Merire onjoria aya ati ni marĩkĩtie kwandĩka mĩtaratara yothe ĩrĩa maratanya kũrutithia wĩra mangĩkahota gũtigĩrĩra gũtirĩ na mwonjoria wa mabũrũri ma nanja waremwo kũnyitanĩra na thirikari kĩwonjoria.
The issues of immigration, the processing of work permits in the country. I know this is also a challenge. But I want to give you an assurance that we are going to address these issues to make it easier for investors and workers or companies which have invested in this country to receive work permits as quickly as possible. Either you are a civil servant and you earn your salary and you work for the public, or you resign and become a businessman and work and you are served by the civil service. It cannot be two ways about this. There will be no negotiations about that.
Na nĩguo kwandandũra wonjoria wa bũrũri ona makĩria, Odinga erĩre onjoria aya atĩ honge itiganĩte no cirabatara ũnyitanĩri wa onjoria a nanja, akiuga Kenya rĩu ĩrorete kũmahe mĩeke ta ĩno.
Build railway lines, want to build ports so that they can be able to trade. And most of the times whenever they went, particularly to the multilateral agencies, World Bank, IMF and so on, most of these projects were described as white elephant projects. It is only China that was ready to take the risk to fund some of those projects with some of these countries.
Maugĩte mũbango wa kwagĩrithia wonjoria wĩ mũtaratara-inĩ wao wa thikũ igana rĩmwe cia mbere, akĩmera nĩ ekwerekereria mũtaratara ũcio narua nĩguo methomere na mataũke.
Not immediately, but within, we can give direction and the journey to restoring the rule of law and governance, good governance can begin.
I'm basically working on that. I've been telling people it's still a secret, but I'm going to publish it shortly. I mean, on Sunday I'm presenting my papers. Right. Then on Monday I will announce what my first 100 days are going to be like.
Run the risk, and I am not being biased, I am saying we really want to work with the next government. Please keep us engaged. Let's work together.
Onjoria aya nĩ makeneire kĩĩranĩro kĩa Odinga na Karua kũrĩa oho magĩire na mweke wa kũria ciũria ciĩgiĩ wonjoria wa Kenya.